We have a $5 firework, a $10 firework, and a $15 firework. We're gonna see which one is the best performer and best overall value. The $5 firework is going to be called Blue Stars with Reports by Mad Ox Fireworks. Then the $10 cake is Atom Smasher, an 8-shot by Dominator Fireworks. The performance is 8 shots of supercharged raising color tails and wild silver tourbillons bursting into color breaks and breaks with loud crackle. That sounds pretty dang good. And then we have Motocross Racing, a 16-shot $15 firework by Miracle Fireworks. Turning it around, the performance is Silver Spiders with white, green, and red strobe with a 4-shot finale. Let's light these all off and then let me know in the comment section which one you think is the best value. Here we go, there's 1, 2, oh my gosh, wow! Yeah! This is the $5 firework called Blue Stars with Reports. It's gonna start off as a fountain. Then we got 7 aerial shots in there as well. Nice little red, white, and blue going on. And there it goes. Still have some nice tails on them, actually. Not too bad. Just a little guy, but for $5, that was pretty good. This is the $10 firework called the Atom Smasher, 8 shots by Dominator Fireworks. Oh, spinning tails. Man, that had pretty nice breaks for a $10 cake. This is a $15 firework called Motocross Racing. Miracle Fireworks, 16-shotter. Man, that crackle was pretty nice. That hung up there. Let me know which one you thought was the best. Blue Stars, the $5 firework, Atom Smasher, the $10 firework, or Motocross Racing, the $15 firework. Which is the best value and performer overall?